My first pottery experience was when I was about 7 years old. I haven't touched pottery since then, and now that I'm a little bit older.
I joined this club 4 years ago. Didn't know anything about pottery, didn't know anything about any particular craft.
I've always kind of had an artistic bent, but I'd never tried anything, and I thought when the time was right I might have a go at pottery.
One of the advantages of belonging to Kowhai Art and Craft is that you don't have to have experience.
You don't feel pressured to produce a completely masterful piece, as it were, necessarily, but there are plenty of people who can as well.
I started pottery 2 years ago, and I don't have any equipment in my house, and I discovered the Kowhai Art and Craft.
In the pottery rooms there's lots of large tables so you can spread out, give it a try without having to make this mess in your own home.
Almost every day you'll have little things that you want to adjust or change or learn about the glaze.
I think it's good to every now and then do something different to get the new people coming into the club inspired to try new things. We've had Obara firings and we've had Sagar firings.
People were always teaching you little aspects. Any query you had, you'd be answered in a very nice way.
We have a low fire kiln, that's where all the bisque work is done, and also some people like to do their glazing in the low fire kiln as well. We also have a high fire kiln which is more suitable for dishes that you want to serve food on.
Especially for new potter, if you want to just give a go, try to play a little bit clay, I think it's wonderful.